How to record and download Google Meet classes for free. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using a free Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then go to Extensions. Next, click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Awesome Screen Recorder, then open the extension from the search results. Click Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension to install it. Once the installation is complete, click the Extensions icon and open Awesome Screen Recorder. Sign in with your Google account, select your Gmail account, and click Continue. If a tutorial appears, click Next, Skip, or Got It to finish the setup. Now choose what you want to record. To record your entire screen, select Entire Screen. If you want to record audio as well, make sure Share System Audio is enabled. Select your screen and click Start Recording. Next, open or join your Google Meet session. The extension will begin recording your meeting. When the meeting is over, click the Stop button to end the recording. The recording will be processed automatically. Once it's ready, you'll see a preview screen. Click Download to save the recording to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully recorded and downloaded your Google Meet classes or meetings for free. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Google Meet and Chrome tutorials.